60 seconds and you'll learn everything you need to know about this drain line cleaner adapter. If your AC drain line gets clogged, it can lead to water leaks, musty smells, system shutdowns, and expensive HVAC service calls. This is the EZVAC AC drain line cleaner adapter designed to help you quickly clear and maintain your condensate drain line using a standard wet vacuum. What makes this tool useful is how simple the concept is. Instead of calling an HVAC technician every time the drain line clogs up, this adapter connects your wet vac directly to the AC drain line so you can pull out sludge, algae, dirt, and build up yourself. One important thing to know before buying, the included elbow adapter is specifically designed for a 1-inch drain line opening, so you'll want to verify your pipe size first. The adapter itself uses a ribbed grip design to help create a more secure connection while vacuuming. A feature I like here is a clear visibility tube. Because the tubing is transparent, you can literally see the dirt, debris, and sediment being removed from the drain line while cleaning. That makes it easier to confirm the clog is actually cleared out. It's best to use it roughly every 6 months as preventative maintenance to help keep the condensate line flowing properly and reduce future clogs. And honestly, preventative AC maintenance like this can potentially save a lot of money over time compared to emergency service visits caused by backed up drain lines. Setup is pretty straightforward. Attach the adapter, connect your wet vacuum, create suction, and clear the line. If you want an inexpensive DIY tool that can help maintain your HVAC drain line and potentially avoid causing AC issues, this is one of those simple tools homeowners will probably appreciate having on hand. Simple maintenance, easy visibility, and fewer HVAC headaches.